To all the partners and ISOs and agents that are out there in the fintech and payment processing space, my name is George Sayu, and just want to reach out to all of you from Swoop Business Solutions. A lot of you folks may already be partnered with us that are listening to this video, and thanks for joining. And you may already know us as Swoop Finance. Swoop Finance, which is our software and hardware point of sale and equipment financing division. In that division, that is one way that we help our ISOs and partners, go to market to be able to help subsidize the cost of equipment and technology that they resell to the market, as well as monetize that equipment with large upfront cash funding from originating and selling those finance agreements in the marketplace. So you may or may not already know us from Swoop Finance, but for some of you guys that and gals that may or may not know, we also are a full service ISO. One of the things that makes us the most unique in the space is that we believe to date that we are the only organization that is both a finance company in the point of sale and payment processing space, as well as a sales full service providing ISO. So, if you're looking for a new place or a new home for your accounts, or if you're looking for service um, that is customized, that is with a group of individuals at Swoop that really understands the challenges of working potentially with vendors that maybe move a little slow, don't really understand the market as far as getting accounts approved for underwriting, whether, small to medium sized business risk assessment. Some companies have taken it to the extreme. We at Swoop have an eye on approving accounts both for financing technology, but also for getting them approved for payment processing. So if you're looking for an organization that understands that, if you're looking for an organization that could help you provide you, um, you know, sales support, right? So, we can do everything. Here's just some of the services we offer at Swoop Business Solutions, but we provide full sales training. We have an online sales academy. It's custom built. We can white label it for you and your team. This works really well for 1099 outside sales agents as well as W-2 employees. The training is very strong in the sales academy. Okay, there's over 300 different videos, anywhere from 2 to 10 minutes. There's some training modules. Again, you can take that, you get access to that. So you could have a duplicatable training process so it doesn't slow down your sales results. In addition, you could have folks like myself, as well as other experienced members of our team, our relationship managers. Each ISO gets a dedicated relationship manager that also for Swoop currently sells in the market. Okay. They don't just work with partners. They also understand our sales tools and processes as they use them every day. But if you wanted training, customized training for entry level sales, middle management, operations, executive level training, we offer all of that. So if you're trying to be an agent moving into a small to mid level ISO or a mid level ISO that's trying to grow and expand, we're a really good partner for those types of companies that are looking to focus and hone in their strategy and their vision on areas of opportunity that are their strengths, and then allow a partner like us where we can come in and help support that growth in multiple different ways. We also have the various tools. We have a quote tool that's very fluid, works really well for cost plus, dual pricing, or surcharging, cash discounting. Again, it can be completely white labeled. You could have access to our full CRM system. We use various different CRM systems. We have access to CRMs such as HubSpot, Iris. We also have our own custom white labeled CRM. So if you're looking for just access for reporting, or if you're looking for deal submission, we have a contract tool, and we could also even give you your own portal that you can build out for your sales teams. Help us manage things like residuals, schedule of fees, and it's also a good CRM system for marketing and for sales. right? With things built in like a dialer and lead organization and, constant contact marketing. We offer, the simple things like your own phone line and phone number. We offer the ability to do leasing or equipment financing or subscription-based financing through our finance arm. We offer full line of equipment options, including Clover, PAX, the full first data line, Lightspeed, um, you name it, hot sauce point of sale system, IPOS, various different companies. Through our partnerships from the equipment financing, we essentially have a product for anything that you need. So we're not limited by products because you're going to a certain acquirer that only has access to limited technology or that you may be direct and they only offer, like Fiserv may only offer the Clover line. But here at Swoop, we're a reseller, so you're not limited to where you can submit deals or the equipment that you can offer. We do offer very aggressive schedule of fees. The more support you want, that's obviously worked into the agreement, but we could do things such as mid upfront bonuses. So if you're looking for cash up front, we can do strong splits. Then we also have a whole back end team that really can help support you. We have access to TSYS, First Data, Fiserv access. We can help with installs of equipment. We know just being in the space that this is a huge area of opportunity for a lot of ISOs. So if you're looking for countertop terminal installs, smart terminal installs, or even point of sale installs. We can do some on site nationally. We could also do it over the phone if you're needing support with installs, not just to execute and activate the accounts and test that trend and test that technology, but if you're also looking for inventory, menu builds. A lot of ISOs and agents really just want to focus on the next sale. That's where a company like us can really come into play. And you're not going to find that in a lot of different full service providers repertoire. This is something that we're good at, that we're timely on, and that we can execute for you on your behalf with your accounts. If you're looking for websites, where you can have it white labeled, we have tools that work really well where customers are currently self-apping themselves with good marketing. But if you're looking for websites, tools, marketing, we have a whole marketing department. Much of that is duplicatable. You could add your logo to it, or you could just use the Swoop brand, right? You could just use the Swoop brand. One thing that I know that everyone is looking for is leads. If you're looking for quality leads, both in person or over the phone to close over the phone, we offer that. We offer that. They're good leads. These are the leads that we use to sell ourselves many, many, many accounts per month and per year. So, again, if you're having that struggle of prospecting and knocking on doors or making the phone calls, or you just want to focus on your steps to the sale and really hone those in and just have your sales folks be sharpshooters and assassins out there. You can do that on our model. We can help provide you some or all of the lead activity that you may need. Again, we also have the underwriting, competitive pricing, and we have a capital arm. So we don't just do MCA loans as it mentions here, but we offer term loans that you can resell to your clients, your merchants. Term loans anywhere from 2 to 7 years, rates anywhere from 4.99% to 15.99%. We do MCAs obviously as well, merchant cash advances. And then we also offer lines of credit or LLCs for a lot of merchants that are looking to be able to draw funds on a repeated basis. A line of credit works really well. So we're a full service provider. We hence the name Swoop Business Solutions. We try to give our partners, ISOs, agents, technology companies, all the tools that they need to be able to go out and attack the market effectively, including equipment, technology, subscription-based financing, right? So we support the partners, and this isn't something that we just talk about. This is something that we also do every single day through our own sales arm. So, we understand what a lot of ISOs are going through and what the market is like and the points of pain that you all are dealing with. So if you're looking to have a conversation about potentially delivering some or all accounts to a new place, a new location, maybe Swoop, or if you want to talk about service or customization of service of a program, We're all about that here. Go ahead and dial that phone number and you can ask for me. Again, my name is George Sayuni. I'm the leader of the organization, and we have a great team that works with us here at Swoop. Thanks a lot for joining us, and hopefully that helps give you some tips and insight as to who Swoop Business Solutions is. Thanks a lot.